All right, good morning. Today, I have my helper, Skylar. Say hey. All right, we're gonna give you guys a little tour of our farm today. So first off, we have our babies from last year getting close to 1 year old. They're just chilling out over here. We have Lady and Rosie, and all the way over there is Sadie hanging out by herself. This is where we have some of our hay rolls that we're storing. Right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7. Over here is our garden that has not really started yet, but we have a little bit, some seedlings that we're working on right here. We have some watermelons and some tomatoes.
Those plants are growing.
Oh yeah, those ones are the ones that Prinar gave us. So over there, if you go over here, we got a lot of work to get our garden started for the year. We laid a tarp last year over the grass. It killed off all the grass so that we can get ready to plant. I'm gonna mow down this section over here and lay the tarp to get it ready for the fall garden. Cleaning these, gotta clean these out. Gonna plant some lettuce on both of these sides. I think what this year we're gonna work on is watermelon, squash, lettuce, pumpkins, maybe tomatoes if we can get some going, or we might have to buy a few ones that are already established. Last year our biggest success was the lettuce and the watermelons. We got lots of lettuce and probably 8 watermelons. 3 or 4 that we really used well, a few that we gave away. So we're excited about that. All right, and this is our feed buckets over here. We put all of them in metal trash cans to keep them away from the rats. And Skylar's gonna show you how he gets the feed out. I'm gonna do all stock. So give me 3 scoops of all stock and this one over here. All right, and this is our milking barn. We go over here.
This is our PC.
Yep, this is our computer that we use. This is our sink that we use to clean off all of the milking equipment every day. This is our milking machine. And this over here is our jar area. This is our freezer that we put the milk in after we milk, just to get it down to temperature. And that's the milking computer.
It takes a lot of hard work to milk cows, but we like to do it.
And out here is our milking stanchions. Autumn's already ready to go. All right, so now Skylar's gonna show you our milking program.
How much?
We got 2 gallons, Skylar.
Oh, the cow looked like we had 150 gallons.
So this is our little program we have. There you go. So basically it prints with our phone number and then has the date it's milked on, which is helpful to know if the milk is good or not. All right, and this over here on this side, past the fence, is our ducks. Skylar's gonna go let them out for the day.
Oh, it looks like we got girls.
All right. And over here on this side is where our pond is. This is where the ducks swim. It's kind of green right now. It seems to get that way when the summer comes and all that stuff. Over on this side, we have 2 more of our cows over there, Blackie and Rejoice. This is we have this little section set up so they can stick their heads out, a little headlock. They're getting their food for the day. This is their hay ring over here. Go through here. And over here we have Buster, who's the bull. He's the bull that we've had the longest. Hey buddy, what you doing? And then here's the new baby calf over here chilling out. There's Brownie here. Brownie is one of the ones we're selling soon. That is a short tour of everything on our farm. Right now we have 10 cows, 13 ducks, 2 cats, and 5 kids. So it's a lot of exciting stuff going on all the time. So today we're going to sell some of our ducks to one of our neighbors. We have too many male ducks, and you kind of have to have a good ratio, otherwise the male ducks just attack the female ducks. So I'm going to go ahead and get them loaded up. Okay, now we gotta choose 3 male ducks that we're gonna sell. Okay, number 1. Nope. Okay, last one. Ducks seem pretty comfy back there. Just went around to the front to grab Margaret. We're gonna go up and clean them. Here's the duck's new home. They have a buddy. There they are.